everybody, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get loose curls. Do a little tutorial for you guys. So if you want to see how I do these curls, super textured, super loose, just super out there, me out there. Just kidding, they're super simple, super cute, or whatever. Then keep watching. I'm going to be going in with my Babyliss or Babyliss curling iron, I don't know. And this is the one I'm using, so I'm going to link which one this is below. I'm not sure the size of it because I totally forgot. I have so many that I can't keep up. I used to have a Hot Tools curling iron, and I decided to try this one because it's super popular on Instagram and stuff. So I've been liking it a lot so far. All my Hot Tool curling irons, I feel like they stopped working after a while, so I decided to venture off and try something new, me with my big words. And yeah, so I'm going to give you guys a demonstration on how I do my curls first. So this is off because I'm not trying to burn my hair off because we don't do that. Just because I've watched previous curling tutorials and I feel like they move so fast, and back then when I was learning how to curl hair, like I can never keep up. So I'm going to give you guys first a demonstration on how I do it. And again, this is off because I'm not trying to burn my hair off. And I'm going to try to do it as slow as possible for you guys. Okay. So, I have a clamp, obviously. I prefer to use the clamp versus the wand because I feel it's easier and it gives me more of the curl I want. I'm not trying to like hold that in place like that. You can do that with the clamp curling iron, but I just don't like to really do that. So, I'm going to wrap my hair around it. I'm turning it, and while I'm turning it, I'm opening the clamp a little bit and keeping my hair wrapped around it. Now I'm keeping it also straight. Do it straight, it's gonna give me more of like a loose curl. So that's what I'm going for today, obviously, is a loose curl. So okay, this is the first step. So grab it, and right now I'm not opening it up, so I'm just gonna wrap it around, open it a little bit, leave it on there, leave it for a few seconds. And then from there, I'm just going to let that piece go and turn it, open the clamp, and then I'm going to leave hair out. So I'm always going to leave the little ends out, and that is what's going to give you the loose curl. So you're going to smooth it out, and you're going to slightly open it. So I'm going to go through that again. Okay, now watch my finger movement. I'm opening it a little bit, twisting it, opening a little bit, and letting it sit there. 1, 2, 3. I don't like to leave it on for too long. I'm going to let the top piece go, twist it, open the clamp a little bit, leave it on there for a few seconds, unwrap it again, and then you're going to smooth out the end of your hair. I'm trying to find a way to explain it so it makes sense. So I'm going to do it one more time. Opening the clamp, putting as closest to your base as you can without burning yourself. Okay, so you're gonna clamp it, pull it down a little bit while holding this down, twist it, open the clamp a little bit, let it sit there for a few seconds. Okay, so this is the step where I want to like actually show you guys, because every time I show this to someone, they're like, what the heck? So, okay, so I'm not gonna touch the clamp, I'm just gonna let that piece go. So you're just gonna let it go while still having that middle curl in there. You're going to twist the clamp again, open this a little bit, letting that hair out. So this is where you leave your hair out. And then you're just going to roll it back up. Let it sit for a few seconds. The end is out. That's when it's going to give you the loose texture curl. You're going to let that top piece go, let the bottom piece go while you're still holding on to the bottom, and then you're going to smooth it out. I'm probably going to turn it on and give you guys like a more faster version of it. And yeah, so I'm going to be setting my heat to, so the numbers here, they're a little weird. Okay, well it goes by like 1 and like 7, 14, 21, it has all these numbers on it or whatever. So I'm going to set it to 21. And yeah, I'm going to wait for it to heat up. So my curling iron is heating up. I'm going to give you girls a little tip or trick or whatever. So this is oh my god, I just hit myself. This is texturizing spray. Oh god, I broke my Oh, I have a cheekbone. Okay, this is Texturizing hairspray. If your hair does not hold curl very well, or it just doesn't want to curl, I always put some of this in it before you curl. So I'm not gonna put it in right now because I already have some in from yesterday. So, but you just literally spray it on. You literally just spray it on, and it's yeah. So this is the one I use. This is Kevin Murphy. I love this one, and it smells delicious. And it's called Bedroom Hair. So it's a texturizing spray. Anything with texture you're gonna want. I have this one, and I have this one as well. So these are the best products I use. I can link it down below to where you can find them. And this one's Unite, so also a texturizing spray. Let me see if the camera can pick it up. There you go. Okay, so when I curl my hair, I like to curl my hair in sections because it's just easier for me to keep track of where everything's at, and I just don't want to miss a piece. My curling iron is hot, and let's get into it. So, okay, I'm starting with this piece, and I'm gonna go a little faster because I'm gonna try and burn off my hair. So, I'm gonna probably try to put this in slow motion.
Okay, so maybe grab it, twist it, let it go, twist it again, smooth out the end.
Now, it's gonna be looking like that. It's gonna be looking a little crazy, but you gotta wait till the end to brush it out. So again, and then these ones are all going back away from my face. Okay, so start at the base, let it go a little bit, twist it, smooth out the end. Okay, maybe we're getting somewhere. Now this one, I'm going to be curling it towards my face, just because I don't want all my curls to bunch up. I'm going to be alternating it. So, like I said, you're going to start at the base, pull it down a little bit, open up the clamp, twist it again, let the top hair out, and then there. So it's all about twisting and learning how to curl, like control the curling iron. So what I recommend is, before you try to do this, do it with your curling iron off. So that way you can get like the feel of like twisting it and taking hair out. And so, like I said, I'm just gonna keep alternating it from here on. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna brush it out. The camera doesn't really pick it up because my hair is so dark, but so this is it. Just really loose curls, super natural. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the top section. And like I said, I like to do my hair in 3 sections. These are going back. Also, you don't want the curling iron to be on the heat to be too low, because then it's not gonna really do anything. So, I mean, everyone's hair is different. You know your hair, if it's thick or not thick, you're gonna know the heat that you want to put the curling iron on. So always keep that in mind, that you don't want to put it on too low or too high, because if it's too low, then it's not going to do anything, and if it's too high, girl, you don't want to burn your hair off. We don't do that around here, because I would probably cry for you. Damn, I'm here poking myself, hitting myself. What is my deal? So turn it, smooth it out, smooth out the end. I don't know how I'm doing this without a mirror. Okay. And then from there, I'm just going to start brushing it out. Alright, so I'm going to do what's on this side, and then I'm just going to fast forward to it. So they're like just super loose, super tousled curls. So after I'm done finishing curling my hair, I like to add in some texture spray. I just feel like it gives my hair more volume, because my hair does go a little flat during the day. So I'm using my Kevin Murphy texturizing spray. I'm just putting it kind of everywhere. Okay, so this is my finished look. I hope that you got somewhere with this tutorial, because I really tried to explain it as best as I could. This is how I do my loose curls. I'm probably going to do a part 2 to this on how to get more crazy, more ringlet curls, because I've been super into that lately. And since fall is coming up, I don't know how to act. So make sure you follow me on Instagram at Nikkie Marie. And if you guys do what's that word called? If you guys do recreate this look, then make sure you guys tag me. I'd love to see anything that you guys recreate. Again, that is at Nikki Marie. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. There are going to be new videos every Sunday. So make sure you guys stay tuned and turn on your notifications, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.